Each Command Go comes with its own controller pad. The back of the controller pad is double-sided tape for it to be mounted onto the dashboard. Under here, we have the Command Go interface module and pedal interface plugs to be plugged in, as well as the power cable for the controller. Before unplugging anything from the vehicle, ensure that the vehicle's electronics are turned off. The accelerator plug on the vehicle, in this case, it's up underneath this plastic. So firstly, we'll undo a couple of screws just to remove this plastic section to make it a little bit easier to get. If you're finding it difficult to remove the plug from the accelerator, familiarize yourself with the plugs on the Command Go, as they will be identical to what's in the vehicle. Have a look for the clips that are securing it so that you can easily remove it from the vehicle. Slide the two together, ensuring they click and are firmly secure, and then attach the other side to the pedal. Tie. Remove the tie from the controller cable and route the controller cable up through the dashboard to the desired location.
The Command Go also has an anti-theft function built into it. To activate the anti-theft function, press and hold the M and left arrow for 3 seconds. After holding for 3 seconds, password will appear with 3 zeros. Use the M and left and right buttons to change the password. Once the password is set, press the M and left button for an additional 3 seconds and ATF will appear. To unlock the Command Go, enter in the password and press and hold the M and left button for an additional 3 seconds. The accelerator is now unlocked. Please keep the password in a safe place and commit it to memory. Without the password, it is impossible to exit anti-theft mode.